Lesson 10, Bureau of Indian Standards. When and why was Indian Standards Institution set up? Indian Standards Institution was set up in 1947 with the primary aim of preparing standards relating to products, commodities, material, processes and promotion of their general adaptation at national and international levels. Why is it called Bureau of Indian Standards? It is called Bureau of Indian Standards because it is wholly responsible for the fixing and implementation of the Indian standards on quality products of Indian industries. Besides, it ensures the quality of products and provides safeguard to the people of India. How are ISI standards formulated? ISI standards are formulated by a large number of technical committees consisting of experts representing various interests such as producers, consumers, technologists, and research officers from testing organizations both in public and private sector. What do you understand by standard consciousness? Standard consciousness means steps taken for widespread implementation of Indian standards, publicize the scheme, and create standard consciousness among different sectors of economy. Periodicals, conventions, and conferences are held for this purpose. Why do more and more industries take on the ISI scheme? More and more industries take on this ISI scheme because it assures quality, ensures safety, minimizes wastage, reduces costs, cuts down unnecessary varieties, ensures interchangeability and increases productivity. Besides this, ISI serves as guide for production of goods and services. It also provides basics for trade transactions. Are you sure the ISI mark on the Japanese product indicates that it is of a high quality? The Japanese product marked ISI is not of a high quality. Such a product is fake because ISI mark is given only to Indian products which are of high quality. However, ISI collaborates with International Organization for Standardization, IOS, to further India's interest in the field of international standardization, but it never gives its ISI mark to any foreign product. Why are the consumer goods which carry ISI mark certified to be of good quality? The consumer goods which carry ISI marks are certified to be of good quality because they undergo testing and inspection at several stages of their production. After such testing, goods are given ISI marks. What does BIS do for the industrial plants or units? BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, is now called ISI, Indian Standards Institute. It assists industrial units in promoting and developing its standard through training and several programs. Where does the institution have its central and regional laboratories? The institution has its central laboratory at Ghaziabad, besides small laboratories at the regional offices at Mumbai, Calcutta, Madras, and Chandigarh. How can one avail the specialized services of the institution? One can avail the specialized services of the institution by joining the institution as a subscribing member of the given categories: Doned, Associate Member, Ordinary Member, and Individual Members. Thank you.